Today, we are looking at back at lesson 5.3, and we're talking about writing slope-intercept. And to find that, using these coordinates, we need to remember a couple different formulas. Okay, so they give us two sets of coordinates here, and we need to remember the formulas. Who remembers what the first one is? To find our m, to find our slope. What is it, Brandon?
Y equals mx plus b.
That's our slope-intercept form. That's what we want to end up with. Y equals mx plus b. What's our formula to find
x1
m?
y2 minus y1.
Y2 minus y1. Okay. Y.
plus b plus
I want my 2 lower.
over
Rip. Y2 minus y1 over what, DC?
x2
Minus x1. Okay. We're not going to be able to do that unless we know what y2 and y1 are, x2 and x1. So we're going to just go ahead and label these x and y. We're going to call this x1 and y1. This x and y over here, we're just going to differentiate it. Make it different than the first one by putting a 2 on it. Doesn't matter how we do that, which one we choose for x1 or x2. We just have to do it. Now that we've labeled them, we're able to plug our number into the formula, right? What's y2? Richie.
no.
Yeah.
What it is? Oh, it like
Or
x.
y2.
Oh, 2.
2 minus y1, which is what, Camarita?
1.
Minus y1. What's
Oh,
y?
wait, 1. -2. Or -3.
Negative 3. Okay? Just because there's a negative sign here doesn't mean we don't still put the negative sign there. Okay, a lot of times in textbooks you'll see them separate them with parentheses. Just like in reading, a parentheses, it doesn't say anything. It's just they're separating something. Okay? And then on the bottom, x2 minus x1. x2 is -2 minus x1. What's our x1? x1, what is it?
-6.
Jeez. -6. Right. Our eyes overrun. When we have two negatives right next to each other, we slam them together and we add them, right? Or we say we're not subtracting, we're adding. So this becomes a plus. That's the way I like to do it. Just make a big plus sign out of it. Then I'm able to look. 2 plus 3. What do you got, Brandon?
For the first
Close.
one, 5/4.
5. -2 plus 6. 4. Very good. 5/4. Now we have this. What is it?
1 is the m, 1 is the b.
20.
This is the m. This is strictly
20.
m. It's not 20, it's 5/4. That's it. That's m. With that information, we're going to take that. Oh, it didn't work. So then I can move it. All of it. No? We're going to take our m, and we have to use our other formula. So we've got the y2 over y1 divided by x2 over x1. Now we need to do our other formula, which we should always have readily available. Y minus y1 equals m, which is what?
5/4.
5/4. Actually, I'm just going to write the formula first. M x minus x1. Okay. We know. We look back up here, we say, what is y1? What is y1?
-3.
-3. So I'm going to plug in everything I know. Y, I don't know yet, minus y1, which is -3, equals, what's our m?
5 over 4.
5 over 4. And this is going to get distributed into this problem here, or this piece of the formula. Minus x1, we go back up. What is x1?
-6.
-6, thank you. -6. Okay. Again, I have two negatives right next to each other. Slam them together. Becomes a positive. Now I can do some solving. I can reduce this so I can read it better. I have y plus 3 because I combine these equals 5 over 4x because I'm now distributing here and multiplying by both of these. Okay. So what is 5 over 4 times 6? Well, if I take 5 over 4 times 6 over 1, which is how you write 6 as a fraction, right? I get 30 over 4. Okay, how many times does 4 go into 30? 7. 7 times 4 is 28. There's 2 left over. That'd be 2/4 or 1/2. Okay? So 5 over 4x, and that's a positive 1/2, so plus 7.5. We're close. Y is not by itself yet, so we're still working. Now I'm going to actually subtract 3 from each side. Y equals 5 over 4x plus 7 minus 3, 4.5, or 4.5. That is our slope-intercept form.
That is very lot of
It's a lot of work.